Buddy. This video is to show you how to validate if a location is within a range. So now let's choose an inspection site, Sterling, and you will see that the latitude and longitude are already populated from the lookup table. And now let's capture our current location. Now we also have our current latitude and longitude. And at the bottom of this form, there is a distance that was calculated. So the distance between these two spots are almost 8 kilometers. And now if I'm going to submit this record, it won't let me do that because um, the range I put behind the form is 4 kilometers. If the distance is bigger than that, then the form won't let you submit. However, if I choose Herden as my inspection site, the distance will change, and now if I hit done, it will let me submit. So this is just an example of how this works, and please let me know if it works for you. And I'm now going to open up the form in the backend and show you quickly how it was put together. So at the top, you will have to have a pick list of the spots you need to have, and then in the lookup table, you will have to give the latitude and longitude data to each of them, and then you'll need a current location. You would need a location widget to capture the current location. And the most important part is in the distance. So in the page level, I put together some code which you can use directly. This function is to calculate the distance between two spots. And in the dynamic value of this distance field, you have to call this function and pass the four data into there, basically 2 latitude and 2 longitude. I'm going to send this form package to you, and please play around and let me know if it works.